A magnitude 7.0 earthquake hit the Philippines on Wednesday, according to the US Geological Survey. The earthquake struck northern Luzon, the country's most populous island, at 8:43 a.m. local time, according to the US Geological Survey. The agency originally rated the quake at 7.1 and then downgraded it to 7. Its epicenter was about 13 kilometers southeast of the small town of Dolores, Abra Province, at a depth of 10 kilometers, according to the US Geological Survey. Also reported that 58 landslides were recorded, and 218 cities in 15 provinces were affected by the earthquake. 3 bridges were destroyed in Abra. The impact of the earthquake was felt in the capital, Manila, more than 400 kilometers away, where workers and residents were evacuated from buildings and gathered on the street. The quake also triggered landslides, with photographs showing large boulders and rocks falling onto a road in the city of Bauco, south of the epicenter. Other photos show people working to clear the rubble. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology said citizens should prepare for any aftershocks, but added that it did not issue any tsunami warnings as it was detected inland.